All right, so we're going to review all of the operations with equations that we've been working on. These are just one-step operations, so should be nice and simple. These two problems have adding, so if I have a positive 5, I need to get rid of it, cancel it out by subtracting. Do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign. So I have z equals 5. And I can check my answer. I have 5, and then plus 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Okay, same thing. I have an s plus 2. So I have a positive 2. I'm going to subtract it to cancel itself out. Now all I have is an s. Subtract 2. So I should have s equals 10. So this one's probably one of the easiest ones to do. Move on to negatives or subtracting. So I have a negative 3. I want to add that 3. I need a positive. So plus 3. So I have a L equals 10. I'm just going to write that up here. And then I have t minus 4. I need to cancel it out by adding. Get rid of it, add 4, and I should have 28. All right. Next problem. If there is a number right next to the variable, there's technically a multiplication symbol. They are timesing. So to undo a timesing problem, I'm going to divide. I like to write it as a fraction because it's a lot easier. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So I have m equals, well, I got to do the same thing to the other side of the equal sign. 36 divided by 6 is 6. So m equals 6. And then last but not least, the fraction problems, which are a little bit trickier. So this is technically 1/2. I need to times it by the reciprocal. So 2 over 1 times the other side times 2 over 1. So I'm going to have L equals 12. And this is technically 2 over 1. So I need to times it by the reciprocal or times it by 1/2. Times 6 by 1/2. What is half of 6? Well, you can either just multiply across and get 6 over 2, or you might automatically know that half of 6 is 3. And there's a review.